type of woman. I'm that type of woman. I'm that type of woman. Listen, I'm the type of woman, not any type of woman. The type of woman that'll go out and get it. And I ain't with that shoo-shoo and all that gossip. And ain't worried what's in your pockets. I'm just minding my business. You see, I'm the type of woman, not any type of woman.
Hey guys, welcome to a brand new vlog. I'm on my way to Checkers. I need to go and get things for a project that I'm doing with Albany. Yeah, so that's where I'm going. I think I'll get a few toiletries while I'm there, and then when we come back we'll be shooting for the Albany project. I want to be over and done with it today. One thing about me, if I think about something, I want it done on that day, because I don't want to constantly keep thinking about things that I need to do. So yeah, let's go. Also, I need to finish doing my groceries because I'm realizing that my groceries. So I really need to buy my groceries so that I know that very important. At least I have the important stuff that I need, like the pantry basics. As you know, in my pantry, the basics asara is just what do you call it, basmati rice. Basmati rice, ne pasta. I need most probably a box of pasta. And what else? The rest are perishables. My potatoes, my potatoes. That's like a 7 kilogram bag of potatoes, but I don't see myself getting that anymore because you see, grocery you end up buying online, or you go check up on in the shops, you go check a few stuff, and of which it's not sustainable. So I really need to do these groceries. Opi and over and Rafaka one. It's really not sustainable and it's not making sense. It's not making sense at all. So yeah. So I will see. I haven't even posted today's video, which was supposed to be Vlogmas day 8. Yeah, so I haven't posted Vlogmas day 8. I haven't even edited it. I think it will go live Monday, because when I come back I'll be shooting for the Albany thingy project. So yeah. I'm wearing this wig. I know it's weird, and most probably it could be because in the Africa wig cap. In the Africa wig cap, because because Anzanda Pedro I'm solo, and I had to go out. So I had to find a way to go out. My other wig, my Sheen wig, I left it to salon. So Anzanda no it all. Yeah, I need to go and collect it. So I'm not sure I'm going to collect it when. let's go.
Powdered sugar in the snow, candy cane and mistletoe.
Can I please get an espresso?
Back to the heat in mid-July, I was driving outside to Nat King Cole. Everybody was asking why it
Yeah, because I tell them my instructions. Yes, you could tell them my instructions, but no, but so do. I could reverse everything. That yeah, you could tell them my instructions. The voucher for this project was said to expire on the 7th of December, and today is the 8th of December. So I got here, and expires on the 7th. I had to email the guys and tell them, "Good, they expire." So now they've reactivated it. So now I can continue because what was that? What was that?
Christmas time, but when it hits you, well, you know. Then December rolled around, the snow was falling down. Everything decked in red and green. Then Santa decided to give me a ring.
Okay, Boomer.
And he said, "You've been good, but I won't lie. The fire of Christmas spirit has died. Grab your friends and sing this song. It goes like this and it won't take long. No need to overthink it. Just open up your heart and sing it." Oh, oh, oh. I didn't even ask for things on my wish list, 'cause all I need this Christmas is your love and attention. So pass me my coat and let's get on the road. We can cut down a tree and some hot cocoa drinks. The roads might be icy, but who gives a bleep? And then December rolled around, the snow was falling down. Everything decked out in red and green. Then Santa decided to give me a ring.
Okay, Boomer.
And he said, "You've been good, but I won't lie. The fire of Christmas spirit has died. Grab your friends and sing this song. It goes like this and it won't take long. No need to overthink it. Just open up your heart and sing it. Open up your heart. Go out, sing it.
Listen, I know we all like being on our phones all the time, but I think we need a reality check. And some of us definitely need to check our screen time. I have no room to talk, but can we go back to the old days and actually enjoy the holidays?
Project items secured. I have a feeling there's still some money. I think there's still about 60 rand in the gift card, but I don't know if there's a way to check. I don't know. So now we go home, shoot the content, edit, yada yada yada, then edit today's vlog, then post it. I don't think I'll be doing my groceries today anymore. I think I'll do it tomorrow when I'm free, because today it's quite messed up. By the way, we have items to eat today, so why should I rush myself? So yeah, guys, let's go home.
Alone it's Christmas, but I won't wait till next year to distance we've had with decorations in my bag. He's taking it slow on working time. It's only so long for Christmas lights. It can't be a song you sing sometimes. I need you to sing it for your whole life. So let me be your family this Christmas. Let this be the season that you've been waiting for. Let me be your family this Christmas. Give to you myself this year, I promise I'm yours. This year you've left me wondering just how you're feeling, and I want you to know my doubts about his realize. Me walking barefoot in the San Diego snow. I wanna make you, I wanna make you, I wanna make you feel something familiar. I celebrate you. God did his thing with you. Don't be a stranger, be my date. Without you, this ain't a holiday. So let me be your family this Christmas. Be your family. Let this be the season that you've been waiting for. Let me be your family this Christmas. Give to you myself this year, I promise I'm yours.
Hello, kids.
Hi, Dad. Daddy.
Guess what?
What?
Guess who I met yesterday? Santa Claus.
You met Santa Claus? Yeah.
No, really. I met Santa Claus. I'm telling you, I met him. I seen him when he came down the chimney. Fresh out the shower, clothes on the floor. Tonight is the night, no telling what we got in store. The jingle bells ringing and everybody singing. The kids all wondering what Santa Claus bringing. There's love in the air, I feel it everywhere. With family and friends, so there's nothing to compare. Hey, don't you see that mistletoe? Come here, baby, don't let go. You acting funny, but I still want my kisses though. Let's go, no time to be wasting. Fire up the ovens, I put up the decorations. I'm losing patience, snow is coming down. No slipping on my step, cause I'm salting up the ground. The holidays always brings us together. It's such a good time, so I'm ready for whatever. And even if you can't spend the day with us, I still hope you have a very Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas.
It must be that time of year. Everybody filled with cheer.
Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas.
It must be that time of year.
Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas.
Kids gather round, come listen to me now. I'll tell you about the time when Santa came down. I heard him on the rooftop, bopping to the beat. He came down the chimney with sneakers on his feet. I couldn't even speak, I blinked and I blinked. He gave me a wink and said, shouldn't you be asleep? Well, I was lying in my bed with visions of sugar plums dancing in my head. Until I heard this ominous sound, I jumped out the bed and that's when you came down. I looked around, there were gifts everywhere. Before I could speak, he disappeared in thin air. I knew he busy, but he left so fast. I still got a whole lot of questions to ask. And even though he couldn't spend the day with us, I still hope he had a very Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas.
It must be that time of year.
Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas.
It must be that time of year.
Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas.
It must be that.
Merry Christmas.
It must be that time of year. Everybody filled with cheer.
Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas.
It must be that time of year.
Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas.
Powdered sugar in the snow, candy cane and mistletoe. Can I please get an espresso? Back to the heat in mid-July, I was driving outside to Nat King Cole. Everybody was asking why it ain't Christmas time, but when it hits you, well, you know. Then December rolled around, the snow was falling down. Everything decked in red and green. Then Santa decided to give me a ring. Okay, Boomer. And he said, you